Alright guys, so I just finished reviewing this beautiful ponytail that I'm wearing right now. It's by a brand called Brown Sugar. This is the style Glamour Wave. Now, I'll leave that link down below in the description box, but I have this cute little clip-in bang to share with you. So I thought I'd pair it with this ponytail because I love a good bang and pony combination. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, the color of my ponytail that I'm wearing though is a number 2, and this bang that I have is a color number 2, so it should just flow, it should just go, okay? But this is by Shake and Go. Yeah, and this is the bang. I'm trying to see, is there a style? So the style is called Mod Bang, of course. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this bang, honey. I love a good set of bangs. Now, I bought a bang and pony combo, and I did like that. I do love those bangs. I've worn those bangs with other ponytails too, and it works out. Now this bang does have like a yucky texture to it, and it works for me. Though I don't know if I see any crimp to this look. Looks like it could be a slight crimp in this ponytail, but yeah, let's go ahead and just try it on anyway and see how this pairs with this ponytail. And I love being able to switch up my look, so I can wear this just like this without the bang, and it's already cute alone. This is cute alone, but let's just see what the bang does for the look. Bangs can just give your look a totally new look. It looks like you just went and got your hair done again. Like, girl, again? You are balling, hunty. You get your hair done twice a week, honey, twice a week. Alright, but yeah, this is the bang here, and it's nice and full. Again, I have it in the color number 2. Let's get that little piece of plastic out of that. There we go, there we go. This is the bang. Alright, so this is how it attaches. You have a clip here and 2 clips down below. So this is going to allow your bang to just lay flat and not just flop all in the wind and, you know, whatever. I like to kind of put mine back to like my pre-wrap area. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clip. I know this is giving me pinup girl vibes already. There we go. Ooh, and a bang is cool too, honey. When your eyebrows aren't on fleek, you need to cover them up. You know, you need to go get them things tamed and waxed or whatever. You need a good bang, honey. Keep them brows covered up. Cover them up. But other than that, this is cute though, honey. I'm just playing about your brows, so I promise I'm just playing. But yes, honey, this is cute. This is cute with or without that bang, honey. I don't know which one I like best. Do you like my ponytail with the bang or without the bang? Though it's a little darker though, but nonetheless, it's cute. I like the bangs. I love the bangs. It is so cute. Yes. Again, this is by Shake and Go. This is Mod Bang, and I picked these bangs up too from divatress.com. Let me know what you think of these cute little bangs. Now, not only can you wear these bangs with ponytails, but you can wear these with your weave styles as well. Say you got a long straight weave right now. You don't want to cut your weave, but you want bangs. Girl, get you a clip-in bang. You need a clip-in bang. Clip-in bangs are just thebomb.com. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think, girl. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, girl. Because until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.